Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what is Gemini CLI and how to install that to our local machine. Without further delay, let us get into the video. Gemini CLI or Gemini command line interface with which we can access Google's large language models like Gemini 2.5 Pro and others within our command prompt. So within our command prompt, we'll be able to access its large language model to give us some outputs or ask it to do some tasks like it can act as a coding assistant where it can create code or it can debug the code and it can also do variety of other tasks within the command prompt. So though it works within command prompt, if you are if you want to work it within your code editor or just like Visual Studio Code Editor, that is also possible. So let us see how to install that first. First, go to the Gemini CLI GitHub page. So if you go to the Gemini CLI GitHub page, they are given instruction of what is Gemini CLI and why Gemini CLI is powerful. Some of them are it's free tier. So in free tier, we can access 60 requests per minute and 1000 requests per day with our personal Gmail account. And it is this using the Gemini 2.5 Pro large language model to get the output. And it can also be integrated with MCP servers or model context protocol servers for more custom for doing more custom tasks that we will see later in our videos. So getting into the installation, first things first, before we install before you install Gemini CLI, make sure you have Node.js installed. I have already installed Node.js in my machine. And even though if you have installed it already, again you make sure you have the Node.js version 20 or higher. So that's one of the system requirement. First, install Node.js and also make sure the Node.js version is 20 or above. So this is the first requirement. So after you install the Node.js, just copy this path, install globally with npm. They are given this npm install Google Gemini CLI. Just copy this path and now come to your command prompt, which I have opened it already. So here we are going to, and also I have a folder called, if you can see here, I have a folder called, inside my C drive, I have a folder called Gemini CLI. First I'm copying this path and coming here. So to the directory, I'm making sure I've created a empty folder and that path is being added here. Now let me confirm which version of the Node.js I have. So I have version 22, which is satisfying the system requirement of 20 or above. Here, within this folder, I'm going to install Gemini CLI. So for that, I'm just going again to the GitHub page and copying this link or copying this code alone, the line, and again coming to the command prompt and pasting it and hitting enter. As you can see, I created a new folder, new empty folder, and inside that empty folder, I am now installing the Gemini command line interface. So it will take a minute or two. Let's wait. Yeah, after waiting for almost 2 minutes, all the packages have been installed. So now let me type Gemini and let's see. So it has been successfully installed. So Gemini command line interface has been installed into my local machine. Since I have done this already, it is not asking for my Google account to authorize it. So when you first time install it, it will be asking you to authorize your Google account or your personal Google account. So that's just a simple, easy process. It will be asking to authorize it. Once you click yes, it will go to your Google account, and then once you click authorize, you'll be able to get this Gemini CLI installed. So since I've already done that, it's not asking for me again. But that's the one extra step you have to do when you are installing it for the first time. So now we have successfully installed. So for example, here they have given some tips. Ask questions, edit files, run commands. Yeah, we can ask you to edit the files as well, or create some code for us and be specific for the results. And create Gemini.md files to customize your interactions with Gemini. Cool. And slash help for more information. Let's see. Yeah. So if I entered slash help, it has given what are the commands we can use. So chat a bug, submit a bug report, resume clear the screen. Yeah, these are some of the useful tips it has given. So now before we deep dive into this tool, let us ask a simple question. Tell me about yourself. Yeah, it has said I'm Gemini large language model built by Google, running as an interactive CLI agent to help you with software engineering tasks, can help write, understand, debug code, as well as interact with our local file system. Yeah. So this is an introduction about Gemini CLI, which has given us the output. So now we have successfully installed it in our local machine. In the next video, we'll see how to use this to create us some tasks, some coding tasks, and later we'll see how to we integrate with other MCP servers to automate our tasks. So all these things we'll see in our next videos. Thank you.